Students, let's start with linear search in C++. In this video, we are going to see about the definition of linear search. Then we will see the algorithm related to linear search, efficiency of linear search, then program of linear search in C++. Then we will see the advantages as well as disadvantages of linear search and improving the efficiency of linear search. Let's start with the linear search. First of all, what is a linear search? This is the simplest form of searching. It can be applied to sequential storage structure such as file, arrays, and linked list. And linear search is also called as a sequential search. Procedure of it. In this method, the searching begins from the first element, or you can say record. The required key values is compared with the record key. Searching continues sequentially till the record with matching key value is found or if the data get end. Next part, that is a linear search algorithm. So there are certain steps regarding linear search algorithm. In this, there is an record in this table and each having the key value, that is a 0 to your n minus 1. So every time this algorithm search for the required key and it will return to the position of I, that is my step I equal to 0. That is a record where the key value will found. Efficiency of linear search. There are three types of efficiency: best case, worst case, as well as the average case. First one is a best case. Record found at the position 1. Hence only one comparison is performed and this is the best case. Time complexity is a 0. Next one is a worst case. Record is not found in the table when n comparisons are performed. Hence, the worst case time complexity is n. Now, advantages as well as disadvantages of linear search. Advantages: it is a very simple method. It does not require any additional data structure and it also does not require any additional data structure. Disadvantages: it is a very inefficient since its time complexity is zeros n. If n is a very large, this method is very slow. Next one, that is there is a certain elements which are used for linear search program. So this is a program related to that. Over here we are entering the size of array and then it will take the input of that particular array, means how many elements you will enter, that much allowing user to enter that particular elements and then that elements get entered over here and then it will search in that particular array. If that key found at the index number, it will break that loop over here, okay, and it will found that index value. And if it won't found, this get stopped. You can see the output of it. So you will get the idea. Over here, allowing user to enter the size of array. So how much size you have entered, that is a user will enter that much element get stored over here and after that it will print the enter key to search in the array. So user can enter that number. So it will found the index value of that particular variable. Explanation. In above linear search program, we search for the value given in array by traversing the array from starting until we find the particular value. Element is searched sequentially and the position is written when the element is found. If the element is found in the array, then the compiler will print the number found at that particular position. Else compiler will print number both found in that particular array. Now, these are the cases. You can see if the search element is other than first and the last element, then the complexity is the zeros, and this is the simple output of that. Next one, that is the base case, and the output of this worst case. Now, improving the efficiency of linear search, there are several techniques by which efficiency can be improved. Organize that data in the sorted manner. If the record is not in the table, the search will be terminated when the record with key is greater required key is found. Thus, the entire table need not to be searched. Arrange the record by their frequency of access, that is, records with highest frequency of access will be sorted first. This will reduce the time taken to access the record needed frequently. However, the frequency have to be known in advance. Now, move to the front method. In this method, or in this case, the records are dynamically recognized such that if there is a retrieval, that record is moved to the front of the table, and thus the record axis move frequently, occupying the position at the beginning of the table. And through this way, we can improve the efficiency of linear search. Now, next part, linear search on sorted data. If the data is sorted on the key value, efficiency of sequential search can get improved and the searching will be done till the match found or greater key reached. These are the algorithm for sorted data. If it will found that particular position, it will go on incrementing. Otherwise, it will stop that by displaying this method. Displaying this statement, that is record not found. This is a simple illustration how linear search performed on sorted data. Thank you students for watching my video.